How to make a news website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a website that contains news on your favorite platform for creating a website, which is Wix. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com. Once you are here, you're going simply to sign in into your account. And as you can see here, we have the site's dashboard. If you don't have and you are not familiar with Wix and it is your first time creating an account, you're going to face this interface or this page after you have set up your information and also connected your account. Either it is Google or an email. So here you are going to get here the choice between two editors, which is the first one, the Wix Studio, and the second one is the Wix Editor. You're going to choose whatever suits you well from there, and you're going to head over the next step. In my case, I will go ahead and use Wix Editor or the standard one. I'm going to click on it. Once you are here, you're going to get the choice to get the help of the AI to build a professional or a customized dashboard, a customized title, descriptions, and all about the text and also the information about your website. You can click on Start Chat to begin that, or you can set your website without the chat. So once you have ignored the step, you're going to set here the type of the business or type of the website that you want to create. For example, here we have the website. So we are going to type in here news website and see what do we have as a result. So you can go ahead and see that we have news blog, news producer, news magazine, news, etc. So you are going to set up here whatever you are going to set. For example, I'm going to delete here a website and see. So we have blog. Here we can either create a blog or a magazine. So let's go ahead and set up a blog. We're going to click on continue. Once you are here, you are going to see the preparation of the dashboard, which is the control center of your website, obviously. Now we have everything that is about your website is going to be here set on the dashboard. So here we are going to name our website as Jack's News. Then we are going to click on continue. And here we are going to set up the goals for the website. Share knowledge. Maybe we are going to collect leads, creative work, build a community, and here we have it. So we are going to click on continue. Now you have here, choose the apps that you would like to add or set. You have the blog, which is the first one, Instagram feed. Maybe you are going to add those as an information sources. We have file share, whatever you are going to add. So we're going to click on continue. Then we are going to continue to our dashboard. So we have initially set up the dashboard first. Now all we need to do is to click on design site. And now we are going to get the option to choose from the templates or we are going to build it with the AI. So you're going to click on pick a template if you don't want to get the help of the AI, then you are going to see standards and most recommended website templates for you are going to see here the best matches. From here, we have two best matches, news blog and news blog here. You can go ahead and choose whatever you are going to set or see from here, or you can go ahead and explore more by clicking on generate a design. So here you are going to see the prompt and also the preview of the website that has been created for you. You can see here that it is not what I wanted. So you can go ahead and make it a little bit different or regenerate the site because I didn't like the structure of it and also the image. There's no such department or a lot of sections that can be customized for us. And here it doesn't matter, but you are going to set up something that could be more specific for you. So here we have not a lot of sections. It is poor in sections, and also the footer color is terrible. So we are going to either regenerate the site, or we can go ahead and ignore that. I'm going to leave. Then we are going to choose another template from those. So it is not very practical to use it with this theme, which is a news website. Now we are going to edit the template. So we are going to enhance our AI content. It is up to you to generate the site text. If not, you are going to ignore it. Here we have a little presentation of the website. We have here the left side menu. Everything is highlighted from the elements, add in sections, pages and menus, etc. So we are going to ignore that and see here the website of ours. So here, publish your post here. We need posts, and we are going to click on quick edit. So you can modify here the strip background. Here also a strip background. Here we have two. You can go ahead right there and change the title. For example, we are going not to set up here climate news, but only news. So here we have the edit of this specific section. Now we are going to exit here the quick edit. Then we are going to add maybe something or a post right there. So you're going to add or create a post. This is something that you are going to add it here or modify it. So you can go ahead and click on manage post. Then you are going to see the dashboard of the post and etc. So we are going to see here the post. You can create your post by your own, or you can get, for example, a website that is specific for news. So let's say that we are going not to create a post, but we are going to add a widget. So I'm going to visit a website called rss.app. So this website is going to create some widgets and some pages for your website that contains here feeds for news. So for example, we are going to get here the website of CNN. We are going to copy the link of it. Then we are going to head over this platform, which is rss.app. Obviously, we are going to click on new feed. Then we are going to type in the URL right there. Click on generate. Then we are going to see here the RSS builder. So you can see here that we have all of the reports. Also, we have a blog. So we are going to click on save feed. This is the first thing. You can add it as a widget. For example, here we have news wall, we have list and carousel. So I'm going to add it maybe as a, let's see here if a image board. We're going to click on add to website. Then we are going to click and get it on the snippet. We have a JavaScript, an iframe, and here we have a Wix. So we have an iframe and a JavaScript for Wix. So I'm going simply to add here. I'm going to click on copy. Here we have the steps. Create, click on plus, select the embed, choose the custom embeds. So we are going right there back here. We're going to copy, go back here, click on add elements. Then we are going to head over the embed code. So we are going to here set the, what did it says, custom embeds. So we are going to set here custom. Then we are going to double tap on the code. Here we have a server. So this is not what we wanted to do. So this is a false. So we are going to add HTML, embed HTML. We are going to type in the code here, click on update, exit that specific area, wait for it until it will be here setting up. So for the stories, we are going to delete these sections. Boom. And now also I'm going to delete that section. I'm going to make this strip right there, make it a little bit bigger, or we can go ahead and limit it like that. So go ahead and limit it. So here we have it. This is the max of it. So we are going to put it like that. Now I'm going simply to put it here like this. So like that. And here we have the widget ready. So make sure to add it here like this because this widget is scrollable. As you can see, we have the scroll. So here we have it. This is the first thing that you need to do. If you want to add multiple websites, for example, here we are going to click on create new feed. Then we are going to set, for example, word news. It will create and generate automatically from our RSS right there. You can go ahead and add it like an overview or a widget. We are going to save the feed. So here we have carousel news wall. So maybe we are going to add it as a news wall. So we are going to select Wix, here iframe or JavaScript. Now we are going to add another section, which is embed code also, embed HTML, boom. This is not what I wanted to do, but we are going to edit this is not a text box. So we are going to double tap on the code area. I'm going to put it here in parallel right there. Boom. And here we have it. So make sure to that you have stretched all the things here. So we are going to put it like that. So as you can see, we have the news wall right there. And whenever a person is going to read something about these news, they only need to, here I'm going to see the website. We are going to publish it. They only need to click on it and they will be guided to the CNN. So I'm going to give you the demonstration of it. So we are going to wait for the website. Here we have it. Wait for the loading screens and the loading time. Right there, as you can see, we have it. So we don't need that. We're going only to see those. So as you can see, it is dynamic and also responsive. Now we are going to click on any of these. For example, we're going to click on any of these. I'm going to click on it. So it will take us to the source of it. So here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.